If you would like to change your Facebook page's name, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your specific Facebook page and not your Facebook account. If you are logged into your Facebook account, switch it to your Facebook page and then tap onto your profile. Here access the gear icon. At the section, scroll below. Under audience and visibility, you will see page setup. Open it and then you will see your page's name. Tap on name. This being my Facebook page name. You can go ahead and edit however you would like, then tap on review change. And likewise, this was your current name and your new name is this. Once done, tap on submit for approval. If you are not a admin of this page, you will have to wait for a couple hours till your request gets accepted. But if you are an admin, you can simply go ahead and do that. And it says it will be automatically approved if your request has been accepted. Another thing that you should know is if you change your name now, you will not be able to change it within 60 days. So you have to pass that time limit if you would like to change it again. Once my request has been accepted, the name will be changed itself. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.